They broke up to chase their dreams, but after 2 years apart, Yi-jae finally returned and Soo-bin was ready to win her back. Ending explanation of dream to you. After their argument, Soo-bin apologizes and promises to wait for Yi-jae, but she refuses to continue their relationship long distance. Determined to prove herself independently, Yi-jae applies for a filmmaking fellowship in Canada while finishing their movie's post-production. She is accepted and leaves Korea, while Soo-bin struggles deeply with their separation. At the airport, he misses the chance to say goodbye, but finds the scrunchie she accidentally leaves behind. 2 years later, Yi-jae returns to Korea as a confident director, ready to stand beside Soo-bin again. She asks him to work on a new script with her, and he immediately agrees, allowing their professional and romantic relationship to begin again. Yi-jae also wins the Rising Director Award for her work in Canada, proving that she can achieve her dream on her own. Meanwhile, Yoojin and Hana remain together despite public attention, while In-wook and Sarang unexpectedly reunite, but leave their relationship open-ended. In the end, the main characters find their own paths and happiness. Hwa-yeon moves in with grandma and enjoys traveling. Young-jae becomes a successful chef, and Hyunak continues running her store while supporting her children. After spending the night together, Soo-bin surprises Yi-jae with a couple ring, and she happily accepts it before they share a passionate kiss. Their story ultimately ends with both their love and filmmaking dreams coming true.